Everyone, myself Sivakrishnan. In this video, I am going to explain about write line activity in UiPath Studio. Basically, write line activity is used to log the message in the output panel, but not in the UiPath orchestrator logs. We can say, in other words, if we want to see the value in the output panel at the time of development, but the same value if you do not want to log in the UiPath orchestrator logs, we can use the writeline activity. So here in this flow, I have taken writeline activity and log message activity. Let me run the process and see the messages in output panel. If you go to the output panel, we can see both writeline activity message and log message activity message. If I am deploying this process in UiPath Orchestrator, only log message activity message will be logged into the UiPath Orchestrator logs, but writeline activity message won't be logged into the UiPath Orchestrator logs. I have deployed this process in Orchestrator. Let me run the process. If I go to the UiPath Orchestrator, if you see 2 seconds ago this job has been started. Let me open the logs for this process. Write line execution started, write line execution ended. In between we can have log message activity message only. Right? Hope this video is informative. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.